வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஜியோகிரஃபி லெசன் 1 ராக்ஸ் அண்ட் சாயில். அந்த லெசன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். விச் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோயிங் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் ஸ்பியர் ஆஃப் ராக்ஸ்? ஆப்ஷன் சி, லித்தோஸ்பியர் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். வேர்ல்ட் சாலிட் டே இஸ் அப்சர்வ்ட் ஆன் டேஷ். ஆப்ஷன் டி, 5th September is the correct answer. Fossils are found in option A, sedimentary rocks is the correct answer. The top layer of soil is called as option A, organic layer or humus is the correct answer. Ideal soil for growing cotton is option B, black soil. The major component of soil is option D, minerals. Which of the following is the most widespread, most and protective category of soil? Option A, alluvial soil. Filling the blanks. Scientific study of rocks is called petrology. Black soil is highly suitable for cotton cultivation. The skin of earth is soil. White marble is the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. Igneous rock is known as the primary rocks. State whether the following statements are true or false. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. True. Slate is formed from shale. True. Red soil is formed by the process of leaching. False. Yam sand is used as alternative for natural sand is in construction. True. Volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. False. Match the following. The correct order is option B is the correct answer. The granite, plutonic rock, soil layer, bedrock, barren island, steep forming, soil conservation, active volcano. Next, basalt, extrusive igneous, limestone, sedimentary rock, coal, anthracite, gneissus, metamorphic rock. The option A is the correct answer. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. There are 4 statements given. The option C is the incorrect statement. The option C, sedimentary rock or the hardest one, is the incorrect statement. The option C is the answer for this question. There are given 4 statements. Which one is the incorrect statement? The option B, dynamic metamorphism is caused by high temperature, is the incorrect statement. Which of the following statements, and choose the right option from the given ones. The statement the 1 and statement 2 are given. The statement option A 1 and 2 are correct and 2 explains 1 is the correct answer. Give reason for the following. Chemical sedimentary rocks are formed in the beds of reservoirs. Chemical sedimentary rocks are formed by precipitating of minerals from water. It is formed usually through evaporation of chemical rich solutions. Igneous rocks are found in the regions of volcanoes. The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. Distinguish between metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to high temperature and pressure, formed by the sediments derived and deposited by various agents, mostly crystalline in nature. They are non-crystalline rocks. Fossils do not survive in these rocks. Contain fossils. Example, coal, oil and natural gas. Example, gneissus, slate, quartz. Example, chalk, sandstone, rock salt. Soil erosion and soil conservation. The soil conservation, the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. Removal or destruction of top layer of the soil by natural forces and human activities. Methods of soil conservation are afforestation, controlled grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, etc. Running water and wind are the major agents of soil erosion. Rill erosion and gully erosion are the major types of soil erosion. Give short answers. How are igneous rocks formed? The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. Describe about the composition of soil. The basic components of soil are mineral, organic matter, water and air. It consists of about 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 25% of water and 25% air. It is only a generalized fact. The composition of soil varies from place to place and time to time. Define rock. The rocks are the solid mineral materials forming a part of the surface of the earth and other similar planets. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. Rock is an important natural resource and is formed in solid state. It may be hard or soft in nature. State the types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. What is soil conservation? Soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. Give detailed answer for the following. Explain the process of soil formation. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together support life. Soil minerals form the basis of soil. It forms on the surface of the earth. It is known as the skin of the earth. Soils are produced from rocks through the process of weathering and natural erosion. Water, wind, temperature change, gravity, chemical interaction, living organisms and pressure difference all help break down parent material. It leads to the formation of loose material. In course of time, they further break down into fine material. This process releases the minerals locked in the rock fragments. Later on, the vegetative cover which develop in that region forms humus content in the soil. This is the way soil gets matured gradually. Classify and explain the rocks. The rocks can be classified into three types: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Igneous rocks divided into two: intrusive igneous rock, extrusive igneous rocks. Sedimentary can be divided into two: organic, inorganic, chemical or mechanical. Metamorphic, thermal and dynamic. Igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma, are also called primary or parent rock. There are types in extrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks, the molten magma which comes out from the interior of the earth's surface gets solidified and forms such rocks, fine grained and glassy in nature. Example: basalt, found in the northwestern peninsular India. Intrusive igneous rocks, molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust, becomes solid and forms such rocks. Form large grains, deep-seated rocks or plutonic rock, and once that shallow depth high basalt rock. Example: granite, diorite. Sedimentary rocks, formed by the sediments derived and deposited by various agents, are also called stratified rocks. The types: organic sedimentary rocks, mechanical sedimentary rocks and chemical sedimentary rocks. Organic sedimentary rocks, formed due to decomposition of dead plants and animals, contain fossils. Example: chalk and talc. Mechanical sedimentary rocks, formed from the disintegration of igneous and metamorphic rocks, get deposited due to erosion by natural agents, get cemented after a long time to form rocks. Example: sandstone, shale. Chemical sedimentary rocks, formed by precipitating of minerals from water, formed due to evaporation of chemical rich solution. Example: rock salt. Metamorphic rocks, formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to high temperature and pressure. Types: thermal and dynamic. Thermal, metamorphic, if the changes in the rocks is mainly caused by high temperature. Dynamic, metamorphic, if the changes in rock is mainly caused by high pressure. Give an account on the different layers of the soil. உங்களுக்கு பிக்சரில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா layers of the soil உங்களுக்கு பிக்சர் இருக்குது. இந்த பிக்சர் is compulsory. Layers of the soil: Horizon or humus. This layer is dominated by organic material. Horizon or topsoil. It is part of the topsoil composed of organic matter mixed with mineral matter. Horizon or elevated layer. E stands for elevated layer. This layer is significantly leached of the clay, iron and aluminum oxides, which leaves the concentration of ore. Horizon or subsoil. This layer reflects the chemical or physical alteration of parent material. Thus, iron, clay, aluminum and organic compounds are found accumulate in this horizon. Horizon or parent rock. Partially weathered parent material accumulates in this layer. Horizon or parent rock. This layer consists of an unweathered part of bedrock. Classify and explain the soil. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquid and organization that together support life. Classification of soil. The soil are classified on the basis of their formation, color, physical and chemical properties. Based on this, soil is classified into 6 major types. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. Alluvial soil found in the regions of river valleys, floodplains and coastal regions formed by the deposition of silt by the running water. Most productive of all soils, suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane, jute, rice, wheat. Black soil formed by weathering of igneous rocks, clayey in nature, retains moisture, ideal for growing cotton. Red soil formed by weathering of metamorphic rocks and crystalline rocks found in semi-arid regions. Not a fertile, its soil brown red in color due to the presence of iron oxide, suitable for millet cultivation. Laterite soil formed by the process of leaching, found in tropical region which experienced alternate wet and dry condition. Infertile soil suitable for plantation of tea and coffee. Mountain soil found in slopes of mountains, thin and acidic in nature. Nature of soil differs based on the altitude. Desert soil found in hot desert region, porous and saline in nature, infertile in nature, agriculture not successful. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் சூன். Thank you for watching my channel and thank you for watching my video also.